The camel's halter, made from sturdy rope, was wrapped in colorful threads of crimson, emerald, and sapphire. The threads danced and swirled around the halter, creating mesmerizing pattern that seemed to shift and change with every movement. From the camel's saddle rose magnificent canopy. It is a fabric, a vibrant tapestry of desert hues. The canopy's edges were trimmed with delicate fringes shimmering and resulting in the breeze like a chorus of tiny bells. As the camel moved, its decorations seemed to come alive. The silver and gold threads glinted and shone, casting tiny rainbows across the sand. The colorful threads of the halter seemed to wave and unweave themselves, creating an ever-changing pattern of light and color. The camel's wheels hung from its saddle, and halter rang out in a joyful melody, their clear tones echoing across the desert sands. The bells seemed to shine in harmony with the camel's footsteps, creating a symphony of sound that was both haunting and beautiful. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow across the desert, the camel's decorations seemed to take on an otherworldly quality. The silver and gold threads shone like moonlight, casting an ethereal glow across the sand. The colorful threads of the halter seemed to burn with an inner fire, casting a warm and vibrant light across the desert landscape. The camel itself seemed to grow more majestic, its presence more commanding as the sun dipped below the horizon. Its eyes, bright and inquisitive, shone like stars in the gathering darkness, filled with ancient wisdom and desert secrets. As the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, the camel's decorations seemed to blend seamlessly into the desert landscape. The silver and gold threads shone like starlight, casting a clear glow across the sand. The colorful threads of the halter seemed to merge with the desert hue, creating a harmonious blend of color and light. The camel, majestic and serene, stood at the heart of this desert tapestry. Its decorations shining like a beacon in the darkness. It was a creature of breathtaking beauty, a true king of the desert, and its decorations were a testament to its majesty and power. In the heart of Pakistan's desert landscape, especially in the Tharparkar region of Sindh, lies a breathtaking spectacle that attracts throngs of visitors from far and wide. A sprawling camel fair teeming with thousands of majestic camels adorned in resplendent decorations presents a visual feast that is at once inspiring and humbling. As one steps into this vibrant fairground, the saints are immediately overwhelmed by the cacophony of sounds, the kaleidoscope of colors, and the pignate aromas wafting through the air. The camels, ranging in size, shape, and hue, stand proudly, their gentle eyes seeming to beseech passerby to stop, admire, and appreciate their majestic beauty. Each camel is a masterpiece of decoration with intricate patterns and designs. Attacked into their hides shimmering in the sunlight like a thousand twin diamonds. The decorations, a testament to the craftsmen and artistry of the local people, are a blend of traditional and modern motifs, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. As visitors wander through the fair, they are treated to a mesmerizing display of camel riding, racing, and trick riding, showcasing the incredible agility, strength, and endurance of these magnificent creatures. The air is filled with the sound of laughter, music, and occasional braying of camels, creating an infectious atmosphere of joy and festivity. The camel fair is not merely a spectacle but also a vital platform for the local community to showcase their traditions, crafts, and way of life. Artisans and craftsmen from the surrounding villages set up stalls displaying an array of colorful handcrafts, textiles, and souvenirs, each one of telling a story, the region's rich cultural heritage. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the fairground, the atmosphere became even more inviting. The camels, now bathed in the warm golden light, seemed to glow with an inner radiance, as if infused with the spirit of the desert itself. Visitors, now relaxed and unhurried, liner on taking in the sights, sound, and aromas of this magical place, reluctant to leave the spellbinding world of the camel fair. In this captivating setting, time stands still, and the cares of the world seem to fade away, replaced by a deep sense of wonder and connection to the natural world. As the stars begin to twinkle in the night sky, the camel fair, bathed in the soft silvery light of the moon, becomes a truly unforgettable experience, one that will remain etched in the memories of visitors for a lifetime. The Camel Fair in Tharparkar. The Camel Fair in Tharparkar, Sindh is a testament to the enduring spirit of the desert people, their love for their land, their culture, and their traditions. It is a celebration of the beauty, majesty, and resilience of the camel, an animal that has been an integral part of the desert ecosystem for centuries. As one leaves the fairground, the memories of the camel fair linger on, a reminder of the beauty, wonder, and majestic that awaits us in the unlikest of places. The camel fair is a must visit. The Camel Fair is a must visit destination for anyone who loves nature, culture, and the great outdoors. It is an experience that will leave you enchanted, inspired, and forever changed.